Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? Welcome to another futures day trading video. In today's video, we're going to be recapping the trades that occurred on stream this morning. In case you didn't know, we trade live on stream here on YouTube every single morning, Monday through Friday, starting at market open, which is 8:30 Central. So come hang out. If you did not know that we do that, come hang out on the stream, subscribe, press the bell notification so that you know when we're going live. So today's day of trading, we actually ended up with $1,830 of profit. That can be seen right here. 86% win rate, 14% lose rate. We only lost one trade for $350. Everything else was winners for that $1,830. So let's go ahead and dive into the big trade, which is kind of based off the title of this video, Patience Pays, right? So as you can see here, this is a 5-minute chart on the Nasdaq over here on the left side. We had a little 10-point scalp for $200 here. We had a 15-point loser right here. And so when I lost this trade, I decided to flip short because I thought a lot of sellers were coming through. We actually pumped up into value area high. So the lines of my volume profile have since changed due to volume changing since the trade was conducted. But value area high was here at 11,555. And value area low was actually right around 11,500. We had a ton of volume here, about 2,600 contracts or so. And we'll go into why that matters in just a second. And so as we pumped up, we had been rotating, meaning going from value area high to value area low the entire morning so far. If you don't know what value area rotations are, there's a video on the channel called Value Area Rotations. I definitely recommend you watch that. It will help. But we were rotating between value areas. And so as we approached value area high, I actually layered into 3 different shorts on this 60-point candle. We took about $900 of drawdown on this trade. And I was being extremely patient because in my mind, we were going to rotate to value area low. We had been doing the rotations all day long, rotating from high to low. And then right as the price was up here near value area high, we actually saw our point of control, which is where the most volume throughout the entire day, actually flipped up. And we actually have a video called Hacking Day Trading here on the YouTube channel as well. Definitely recommend you watching that because it goes over the concept of the point of control flip. And when that matters is on range days like today where we're rotating between value area high and value area low. When a lot of volume starts getting conducted near value area high, it could mean that we're going to rotate down. A lot of people might be stacking short for the move to the downside, right? So for me, I was willing to take the trade all the way up to the previous high of the day. If it broke that, I was going to exit. We didn't break it. We held value area high. Point of control flipped up. So we were being extremely patient, waiting this long 5 or 10 minutes long trade, right? And then it snapped. And I actually got out for 30 points of profit across those 3 contracts, bringing my total up to $1,800 or so. However, I got out at value area low, which is where all the volume was. It did not even think twice, right? Price tanked another like 150 points. So I could have made a ton of money, but with trading, it's important to remember it's not about what you could have made, it's about what you did make, right? So if this was a true rotation day and we ended up rotating back up, I would have wished I would have taken my money out at 500, right? Since we just broke it, it's very easy for me to be like, man, I could have made an extra $5,000 or whatever. But at the end of the day, it's important to remember price might not have done this. We could have not snapped. We could have rotated back up and I would have wished I took profit here. So at the end of the day, it's about what you put in your pocket. It's about that money you put in your pocket, not about the money that you could have made. It's always better to try and improve, obviously, but there comes a point where you just have to accept what you did. So we ended up snapping off of a lot of volume and we dumped. And now since then, we are just rotating back up. You can see here, we rejected that 500 volume and then came back down to test value area low. And it's bouncing off that as we speak. So overall, very interesting day, very rotational day. A lot of point of control flips, a lot of volume being conducted. Again, we have videos on that. Just look at my YouTube channel and volume profile. All very helpful things. But the big thing to remember today, patience pays. It's okay to take a little bit of drawdown if you're going to make some serious cash at the end of it. It's important to be patient, to let your trade ideas work, and to have an invalidation point, right? So my invalidation point was the high of day. Since it never reached that, we were just patient. willing to take some drawdown in order to get super paid at the end of the day. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Make sure you press the thumbs up button if you enjoy trading content. Let me know down below if you've heard of value area rotations below or before. Make sure you subscribe and click on that bell. And remember, we are live every single morning. I am trading the Top Step account here on stream. It is linked down below. First link in the description. You can get 20% off applied at checkout. This is just a two-step process to prove to Top Step, the company, that you're a good trader. They will give you money to trade with. They will take on all of the risk. In return, you just split the profits 80-20. You keep 80, they take 20. Great deal. It allows you to take drawdown without having to be as concerned because it's not your money. And then any money that you make, you get to keep profits on. So great deal. And I will see you in the next video. Make sure you tune in for the live streams. Have a good one. Peace.